Hey foodies! Today we're checking out Hebo, the sister company of Salad Stop, and it's perfect for anyone looking for healthier options when dining out. We started with their kamote and taro chips with red pepper dip. Actually, it's crispy, light, not too much seasonings, tapos yung dip, hummus-like, with the charred red pepper flavor. It's not spicy, it's just full of character. And what's chips without drinks? Syempre, kombucha for the win. Para siyang apple cider vinegar yung lasa na may fizz, na may konting sweetness. And it's a healthier alternative to traditional soda. We also had their coffee. Decent, masarap naman siya. Actually, kaya kami kumain doon dahil sa coffee. Next up is the Muscle Beach Bowl. It has tri-color quinoa. It's nutty and perfectly cooked. Tapos may avocado, which is creamy. Wala masyadong veins. Chinek ko talaga siya. It has sous vide chicken. Actually, chicken breast. It's just right. Alam mo yun, chicken eh. Alam mo yun, basta yun. Alam mo na yun. And a mix of seeds na nagbibigay ng crunch. And while there's a charred carrot and broccoli, it's kinda soft for me. So, yun. And the chipotle beetroot dip was tangy and smoky. Yung yuzu sauce naman on the side, it's bright, citrusy, and it pulled everything together. Overall, if you're after healthy, whole foods when eating out, this one sulit at uulit. San kaya tayo next? And at least now, alam nyo na what to expect. Comment down. Bye!